I wanted to welcome you to a special bonus episode of Doing Insurance Right. My name is Scott Jenkins, Farmers Agency owner here in Ahwatukee, Arizona. I just wanted to go over the promotion that we have going on at Christmas in July. Some people prefer the audio version of what we have going on, so I thought I'd just explain it. A couple of things that we have going on. We've partnered with two different places that could definitely use your help this time of year. The first one's going to be St. Mary's Food Bank. So basically, this one, it's pretty simple. So if you're a client of mine, I will double your food donation. So if you give 2 cans, I will also give 2 cans. If you give 20 cans, I'll give 20 cans. The goal for this is to get St. Mary's Food Bank as much food as we can. This time of year, they're always low on donations, so great time to help out. Not only that, you don't have to come by the office with the food. Myself or my staff will swing by and pick that up for you at home or work, just to make that as convenient as possible. We like to get out and meet everybody anyway, say hello. Good way for us to reintroduce ourselves again, and for you to put a face with the name if you're calling in, and then also to help St. Mary's out. Now, if you're not a client of mine, no problem. You can still help out quite a bit. If all you do is just allow us to quote you a line of insurance business, whether it be for your car, your home, motorcycle, renter's policy, whatever it may be, we'll also go ahead and double any food donation that you do as well. And we will also come pick that up. So this is a great time to compare insurance, if anything else, and also help St. Mary's Food Bank with some donations. Now, the kind of donations that they're needing right now would be peanut butter, canned vegetables, canned fruits, canned beans, low sodium and things of that nature if we can on some of these things, bags of pasta, bags of rice, the list goes on and on, even canned Spam, canned tuna, basically anything canned for sure helps them out tremendously. So like fries, for example, had canned vegetables. They were Kroger brand, their store brand, for less than 50 cents per can. So donating $1 worth of food, a couple cans, is definitely well worth it for us. And then like I said, if you're a current client or a client that'll just allow us to quote a line of business, I'll double that as well. So a good opportunity for you guys to help out with St. Mary's Food Bank. They would greatly appreciate it as well. So that's our first partner for Christmas in July. Our second partner for Christmas in July, and we're very passionate about this one as well, is Amy's Farm Sanctuary in Gilbert. If you've never had a chance to go over there, I highly suggest you check her out on social media, on Facebook or Instagram, especially if you're a big picture person. It is absolutely unbelievable. This little slice of heaven, so to speak, in the middle of Gilbert off of Ray Road and Val Vista. You would never think that there's a little farm back there, but there is. She has everything from horses, cows, chickens, turkeys, pigs, little donkeys, you name it, she's probably got it. These are all typically animals that need to be rescued. A bunch of rabbits, like just for example, she was mentioning after Easter, a lot of people don't realize the work that it takes to take care of a rabbit. So after Easter, she tends to get a lot of rabbits that are surrendered to her. So she doesn't turn anybody away when it comes to surrendering the animal. All she asks is that you do set an appointment. So if you check her out on social media and direct message her there, she can be able to set you up an appointment to go take a look. So it's pretty simple on this one here. So if you allow us to quote you a line of business, I will donate $2 to Amy's Farm Sanctuary for any insurance policy that you sign up for, whether it be one car, renters, homeowners, motorcycle, whatever it may be. Let's say business insurance. I'll donate $15 per policy. So if you have a home of a house and 3 cars, for example, and if you signed up for all 4 of those products, that would be $60 going to Amy's Farm Sanctuary, plus the $2 for the allowance of the quote. So $62, and it takes you about maybe 4 minutes to fill out the form total, and that's just estimating on the long side. So basically, we have a simple form at scottjenkinsinsuranceagency.com that we'll go and fill out. There are some stipulations to this. This is limited to Arizona clients only, so just to keep that in mind. There is a ton of Arizona clients that have been out to Amy's Farm Sanctuary. I think she mentioned over the weekend that she had already had 1,500 plus visitors out there already this year. So a fantastic way to help Amy and her farm. She has dedicated her life to taking care of these animals. I mean, you can go have a cow hugging session. I mean, how unique is that? My brother-in-law in Texas has cows, and if you get within 10 feet of them, they're taken off. These cows will they'll lay down and allow you to hug them and even fall asleep. It's absolutely amazing how tempered, how mild-mannered they are. Some are missing eyes. We saw goats that had deformed faces and back legs. We saw all kinds of different things going on there. So donkeys that couldn't see. Absolutely incredible place. If you stop by, donate a few dollars, try to help out. Or if you can't donate, no problem. Let's see if we can save you some money or get you better coverage for your insurance. And then you don't have to donate at all. I'll do all the donating for you. So it's an absolute great way to help out the community, help out these two places that desperately need it this time of year, because the summertime in Phoenix, let's be honest, nobody wants to be outside. Amy also takes volunteers as well as St. Mary's Food Bank. So if you're looking to do something besides cash or food donation, but you want to help out with some time, maybe you have some time, they're more than happy to take up free labor hours, so to speak. So feel free to contact them at St. Mary's Food Bank online, and then Amy's Farm Sanctuary is online as well. Just contact them and they can set up those for you as well. I wanted to thank you for listening to today's special bonus podcast with Doing Insurance Right. We didn't really talk about any insurance today, but these two items is huge for myself, my agency, and making a community impact as much as we possibly can. As a business owner, I believe that we have to step up and make a community impact any way we can. This is going to be one of lots and lots and lots of ways we can impact the community. So thank you very much for listening. Do appreciate it. If you have any questions, you can feel free to call us at the office at 480-626-5949. You can catch us at the web at scottjenkinsinsuranceagency.com, or feel free to find all on social media and direct message us there, whichever is more convenient for you. And as always, if you could rate, review, and subscribe to the podcast, it does help me spread the word a little bit more and gets it a little bit higher rankings. That way more people can find it. Thank you so much. Do appreciate it. I look forward to talking to you in the next episode.